Evangelist, una de osofa don't think echo Kennedy Japan.
Yes, I.
Na mo friend Nigel Gaisie answer na moko.
What you hold on? What's it?
Mona mo de osofa don't think echo Kennedy Japan.
Yeah.
Na mo friend Nigel Gaisie answer na moko.
Oh, there be. Say me no me pacho. Makaji Honorable say we shouldn't mention that name, pacho, because the more we talk about his name, now quite to say, yeah, more abuse be now for me, and I don't want to talk about him, but the me person is stressing said when I received that audio, my friend Ohemaa Mercy, made a text me baby what she sent me. She was very furious.
Ohemaa Mercy,
yes, I will forward it to you. What I say? I just want to clear. But man Kasaso will clear themselves. What I say? What happened is honorable madam for. Maybe also he was very proud to say me also for. Me so me person me who maybe no ginya me di more because I suffer for when I realized say on pass suffer for I say because of all this expose. So I wanted to open that a platform for him to understand say or yen juma dear but nyame so tiase. So I've been with him throughout. Just want to make sure say because people were concerned. They were calling me pa me who be that. It be fresh from me all over the world. Mamu Susa I say Obra, I'm so there be kit we be no why and he's recuperating, one pie be very okay. And it just came say one day be na me be a corner. And I face Bishop I don't hear madam for. Now honorable so biggest one of the biggest fans. We see the debut, so pay.
About no, we see that.
What's up? And ask them, when we didn't come out. One day I happened to be talking. Me one with you. I mean, no, we didn't come out. And Johanna, Bishop friend me. And I'm so. We need to know how. No, it's honorable. It's honorable. So, the moment you introduce somebody to him, pet. I say, oh no, I need the pakona very nice. Even though who name yet, but that's how he is. It's me, no so. This is Bishop. And also watching in Kapa na even go one day konya obeba na soro what is our Virginia. And the Muna Tama amount for starting with this when you stroke, when you say, all this information coming out. He was very much concerned, framing. And also the course one and anything. The opposite one day no go visit honorable. Na any bomb yet.
Okay. The Bishop at one team friend wo. Said yeah, what to tell anything to person one day or no,
yeah, because it's like he was very much concerned, like many of the fans. And I arranged one of the and so on, but I arranged at the appropriate time, and I'll buy it. And that's where you see the videos Ohemaa Mercy situation, I think said it has to be with videos because he was at the awards night. He probably saw a video, also confirm as Mama Kenya.
Me Ohemaa Mercy.
That's right. I don't know because it's a permission just for Bible cake. Come on, think about it. Bishop Alonti is a big bishop in America, hardworking guy. What pagan? One was sorry, was you Virginia,
yeah.
Everything that he went through was passing that face. Now was it Mercy Asoidan Amanyame and why. So I'm trying to get him involved in more and also you'll be a giver. Oh, very nice person. The people like that now my introduce so I suffer for no I be new nice one. The Bishop Alontinso being a fan of honorable. No. That was how I is Osibiano. That was it.
And Tresse Bia, Momo friend Nigel Gaisie permission. Because I'm a for Adina Yomunya say I didn't know some friend Nigel Gaisie. Permission pay their or crying. Into that man for and say nothing.
Daddy Freddy, I'm a 21-year veteran in the media and showbiz. That's all for PIA, you name it. And you have studied me very well. Wow, Michelle first. You told me say what Ghana no cry now. What you Juma me? What you but then the say, if I have to go and also being a man of God, recently I got Miss Masha Juma say me. And me person me call madam for me come on. Do I need a permission from another man of God? I don't think so.
No.
I don't think so. And then person say, I don't want to discredit a fellow man of God. but it's very unfortunate. And you know, I'm here to clear the air. Say, Obi any wa afro Obi. Say I go one pie. Me na me cover honorable. All the people, there are people who are very great people. Honorable. You met them. So what I say? Oba, you know, you met them. Juma. And you know, it's very unfortunate. It's very, very unfortunate. But like I said, say a person I don't need permission. I'm an ordained minister. I'm licensed in the United States. What I say? Shepherd to shepherd, clergy, network of clergies. Me CEO, Archbishop Mensa, Boisiako. Oh no, they name me. If I need to go to my friend here, do I need to call a fellow or no my friend? No, be a minimum.
Yeah, actually, I generally require so cassette more permission a free one. No, I answer no Bompire mana. Because when you can actually say honorable Tito word and unseen spirits being a pushy, Sana Jagaziaka. And also I say, or Bompire a gunuso de Bia say, Yakupon China soon China, so every day or Bompire gunuso. Enti or Momo Cobompire, Momo only Bushapadon take Urakane de Japan or no. Number friend now. That means I say, or no could be Bimuna more friend and into a clarification.
But Mamika Samin every giver, Obi or Wakuma pa, no give up. Oda Nyame Akuma Suset of it. Okay? Remember that. Now, Asambera, I share Prophet 1, the video been and say, I think I'll forward it to you. I said, okay. Also, wouldn't mean you soon Yamidi and say any pada. Yami 2 million fans say any part. So what I said. Good. And at the same time, no. We just want to make sure, say, you're honorable. That was the whole idea. We don't need permission from anybody just to go and pray. I mean, to me, I found it very, very shocking. Say, okay, say, almost free and beside permission. And then when I be permission, you go by a movie. I say, almost the same association, and I say,
I know I was in a close friend. But what we said, don't think and pass it one friend and your permission.
Mr. Messenu, my friend, Madame, I'll clear the air because I've spoken to him. Okay, I say, Mamma Fro, but I'll forward you audio or the brain, just to make sure, I smart, or kind and say, only if you know, whatever, you the bachelor. What am I saying? It wasn't for me. I'm
not a bit marble, and I think I
don't want the business or the brave say me.
Okay, but can you know also be the
number. Yeah, it's open. But the number be mount. Some you know, and
yeah.
I give you. I share information with you. But the number be mount. Ohemaa Mercy. But the number be mount. Open your can clear the air on your station. So say unfortunately, no. Obia flow bia. Me flow bia. Yes, me so my sorry so for New York. Reverend Prophet Eric Ofio Usukran.